Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over some daily deals that y'all can do at Family Dollar. We have freebies, glitches, super cheap items, plus if y'all stay till the end, I'm going to give y'all a 5 off $25 scenario for this Saturday at Family Dollar. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up we have a cereal deal at Family Dollar, and this is a pretty good one. So we have General Mills, Post, and Kellogg's cereals. If you pick up a total of 4 boxes and you can mix and match, clip this coupon to your account. You're going to pay $6 for all 4 boxes. Alright, next up we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent or the scent boosters. Now these are on sale this week for $5.50, so pick up one, use this coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Alright guys, next up we have another 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. So again, these are on sale for $5.50 this week. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Now, big shout out and thank you to Doves in the Crosswalk, a subscriber. She left an awesome comment on a previous video saying that she had found a glitch at Family Dollar, and this $2 coupon is working on the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent Clean Burst 50 fluid ounces. So if you guys see that, make sure that you scan it and make sure that digital coupon attaches. Alright, next up, here's a pretty good little deal. We have the Mr. Clean Multi-Surface Cleaners 28 fluid ounce bottles. These are on sale 3 for $5. And we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Mr. Clean products. So that's going to be paying $4 for all 3. Alright, next up we have a definite glitch. So we have this 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Dawn dish soap, and this coupon is working on the Mr. Clean Meadows and Rain multi-purpose cleaner 40 fluid ounces. They're priced at $3, so pick up one of those, use that coupon, and you're going to pay just $2. Alright guys, next up we have another glitch. So we have this 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Dial or Tone body wash or the 8 count Dial bar soap. But this coupon is working on the Dial hand soap 7.5 ounce bottles. These are priced at $1.75 each. So pick up 2, use that coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Alright, next up we have this 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Motrin. So if you want to pick up the 24 count, those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. And next up, we receive this 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Bic stationery products. So if you want to pick up the 10 count Bic pens, those are priced at $1.75 each. So pick up 2, use that coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Alright, next up we have this 4 off 1 digital coupon for the Poise Pad. So if y'all can find the Poise Ultra Thin Pads 11 count, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Alright, next up we have 5 off 2 for the Always Discreet. So if you want to pick up the Always Discreet liners, 44 count. These are priced at $5.50 each. Pick up 2, use that coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. And next up, we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Huggies wipes. So if you want to pick up the 56 count wipes, those are priced at $2.40 each. Pick up 2, use that coupon, you're going to pay $3.80 for 2. Alright, now next up is a deal that we also had last week, but I just wanted to go ahead and let y'all know that this is still available. So we have this 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Oral-B toothbrushes. Pick up 2 of the Oral-B Healthy Clean toothbrushes at $1 each. Use that coupon, you're going to get 2 toothbrushes completely free. Alright, next up, here's another deal that we had last week, but we do have some new coupon matchups to go along with these Bic coupons. So we have this 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Bic razors. This works on the Silky Touch 10 count razors. They're priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Now, you can also use this 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Bic Sensitive Disposable 10 count razors. They're priced at $3.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25. And this 2 off 1 digital coupon also works on the Bic Metal 5 count razors. Those are priced at $2.25. So pick up one of those, use that coupon, and you're going to pay just 25 cents. Now we also still have this 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Bic razors available. And if you want to pick up the Bic Silky Touch razors 10 count, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Now you can also use this 3 off 1 coupon on the Bic Deuce disposable razors. Those are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 25 cents. Now you can also use this 3 off 1 on the Bic Sensitive disposable razors. Those are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay just 25 cents. And this coupon also works on the Bic Metal 5 count razors. Those are priced at $2.25, so after this coupon's applied, that is going to make it completely free. Now keep in mind, at Family Dollar we do not get any overage, but it will make the item completely free. All right, next up we have this 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Suave Degree and Axe men's grooming products. So this is working on the Degree deodorant, 1.7 ounces. These are priced at $2.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. Now we also received this new 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Degree deodorant. So if you want to pick up the Degree men's deodorant, 1.7 ounces, these are priced at $2.35. So after that coupon's applied, you're going to pay $1.35. Now, this 1-off-1 coupon also works on the women's Degree deodorant, 1.6 ounces. So if you would rather pick up those are also priced at $2.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. All right, next up, we have this 2-off-2 digital coupon for the Suave products. So if you want to pick up the 1.4 ounce Suave Sweet Pea deodorants, those are priced at $1.25. Pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Now, this coupon also works on the Suave Fresh Vibes deodorant. These are also the smaller deodorants. These are priced at $1.25 as well, so pick up 2 of those. Use that coupon. You're going to pay $1.50 for 2, or you could mix and match. All right, next up, we have a 3-off-1 digital coupon for the Shea Moisture products. So if you want to pick up the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothies, those are priced at $5.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. All right, up next, we have another coupon matchup from last week, but this coupon is still available to clip. So if you haven't clipped it to your account, go ahead and do it because this is a really good deal. We have a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Clean and Clear products. If you could find the Clean and Clear Lemon Zesty Scrub, those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. All right, next up, here's another coupon matchup that we had last week, but this one doesn't expire until the 18th. So we have this 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Caress product. If you can find the Caress Charcoal Body Wash, those are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. All right, next up, here is another coupon matchup that we had from last week, but this deal gets even better this week. So if you can find the Neutrogena Facial Cleansing Bars, those are priced at $3.25. We have this 3-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying just 25 cents out of pocket. But this deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back on the Neutrogena Face Cleansing Bar Soaps. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get that $1 back, and that is going to make your final price completely free, plus a 75-cent moneymaker. All right, next up, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the CoverGirl eye products. So if you want to pick up the 2-count brow pencils, those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. And next up, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Maybelline New York products. So if you want to pick up the Maybelline powders, those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $3.50. All right, and last but not least, we have another freebie. So we received this 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Dove products, and this is glitching, and it is working on the Dove 1-count bar soaps priced at $1. So pick up one of those, use that coupon, and that is going to make it completely free. Alright, now I usually do this at the beginning of the video, but better late than never, right? So, y'all keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Now, let's go ahead and get into this 5 off $25 scenario for this Saturday, July the 16th at Family Dollar. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer laundry detergents or the Scent Booster beads at $5.50, 3 of the Mr. Clean 28-ounce multi-purpose cleaners at $5, 2 of the Big Metal razors at $4.50, those are $2.25 each, 2 of the Suave deodorants for $2.50, those are $1.25 each, 1 of the Degree deodorants for $2.35, keep in mind you can choose from the men's or the women's, 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $2, those are $1 each, 1 of the Neutrogena face bars for $3.25, and 1 of the Dove 1-count bar soaps for $1. And that's going to bring your subtotal to $26.10. And here are your coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Arm & Hammer, the 1 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 3 off 1 Bic razors, the 2 off 1 Bic razors, the 1 off 2 Suave, the 1 off 1 Degree, the 2 off 2 Oral-B, the 3 off 1 Neutrogena, and the 150 off 1 Dove. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $5.10 for 13 items. But hold on, because this deal gets a little bit better because we have that $1 rebate back on Ibotta right now. So submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1 back. That is going to make your final price $4.10 for 13 items, which makes those 31 cents each. And I think that's a fantastic deal considering we are getting laundry detergent and that Mr. Clean cleaner as well. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but if y'all are looking for some more deals, make sure that you go back and check out my previous videos because we have a lot going on this week and a ton of awesome deals. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button right down below and make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any of these awesome deals. Also, while you're at it, if you could hit that thumbs up button for me, it is a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.